Next. Go here. Division. Not division first. We'll keep a navigation here. We can write call navigation. Start navigation and navigation start, navigation end. Next to that, check in your folder. One day you have downloaded this Bootstrap 5.2. Is it available? Yes. This folder should be there. Okay, so we have folder navigation in this folder. Bootstrap 5.2 folder. Go inside. You will have site. Site will have contents, docs, 5.2, then example. Let's go to this folder. It is still here. In your check that path, no? Under the contents, there is a docs 5.2. Inside you have examples. Got it? Hope everyone is able to find that. I will share you this folder in chat as well. In case not able to find, you can download directly from your chat window. Now this folder which you have, you can copy from here and paste into your main folder, because we have to take many things from this example folder. All sample codes are inside. Whichever the sample code we require for model, pop-up, navigation, all are inside. Okay, so hope all are able to capture the index in the example folder. You found example folder, please go under the example folder. Under the example folder, you have a nav var fixed. Nav var fixed. We have a folder called nav var fixed. Nav var fixed. Go to the nav var fixed folder. You have one index file. Open their code. Under the nav var fixed folder, index file is there. You can open their code in editor. Right, so hope we have opened the code. From in the code, it has one sample code. It has one sample called nav to nav. You can see NAV start and NAV end. This code we are going to copy. Example folder is given for that purpose only. So wherever we have a requirement, we can take the example folder and we can use with our project. Now copy the nav to nav and you can come to the home file. Comment you have written, you can paste here. You can paste under the comment section. Okay, added. Save the file. Run this page. Save the file. Run the home page. Navigation should appear on the top. Navigation should appear on the top. Something like this. This is called fixed navigation. In that color combination, height, width, everything is under our control. You can see here you have a class called BG Dark. Change to BG Info, BG Danger, BG Success. Change that class and then check how it is. We have multiple background color combination. Please change that class. BG Danger you can keep. See, it should appear in the red color. BG Danger will come in red color. If we try BG Dark, change to BG. Suppose I'll keep here call DANGER. So navigation will convert into which color? Red color. Something like this. BG Danger Success Info Warning Primary. All multiple options are there. Your wish. Whichever the color you want, you can keep and you can have a look. Okay. Next, after this, the navigation is ready. We have to add here the number of menus according to need. Whichever the color combination we want. You have all color combination. If you want to customize also, you can write another background and call here. It will also work. Okay, let's come now next after this. If you have learned the CSS, you should have one external folder inside. One folder will be there called icon folder. Icon folder. This icon folder I will share in the chat. If you have this icon folder, you can take the icon folder and keep in your bootstrap folder. Copy and paste. It should be in your external CSS. It should be in your external CSS. I will share again in the chat. If you have not kept properly, you can use it. Because while creating the page using the bootstrap, since everything is a ready-made library, so we should use icon also to get more idea, to create more better look and feel page. I have sent you.
Hey, I just missed it. Can you just go to the path once again?
Go to the
I mean, like path. Where do I get that icon folder?
which icon folder is available that we have downloaded and we have a store in our folder. You don't have, I have sent in the chat. You can download it because other people have learned the CSS from me. So they have folder, they have downloaded it. In your case, it should not be there with you. So you can download from internet or the icon folder I have sent in the chat. You can take from there.
Okay, thank you.
So hope ready. Next, after that, come to this file. You should extract that folder. Call here icon slash css slash all.css.
Hi, can you just send me the folder once again in the chat?
You're logging in the Zoom app or browser?
Browser.
In browser, it will not come. You have to download the Zoom app and install the Zoom app. Then it will
Okay.
download from the Zoom app. In browser, if I upload the video will not be visible in the chat. Sorry, if I upload the folder in the browser, it will not be visible in the chat. To download that, I will try. If it's coming, then well. If you are not trying, if you are not coming, then you have to download it.
Oh, okay. In from browser also you can get this icon folder as you said, no? Like how? What should I search in browser to get this icon?
I will upload the folder in the chat.
Yeah. Hey, I just got the folder and I'm downloading it. Thank you.
Okay. After that, link is ready here. Go to the home. Before home. Before home. Class. My class equal to fa hyphen home. It will give the home icon. Same way. fa contact us. This should be headset. Next, you can use here one more href. Okay, this is called services. Services will come from the tools. Services. Scope added. Icon should come here. Okay, that's ready. Look like this. Icon is coming. We can add one more link. Now, keep as a register. Sign up. Second is for login. User hyphen plus. This is for log.
Sir, can you just scroll up for the link? Yes. Thanks.
Okay, please check once these menus are coming or not. Login, register, sign up, and all. Next, after that, now you are on the home page, main page. The home link should be active. So for that, you can go to the home link and apply a class here called text hyphen white. Text hyphen white. These people started making so much of noise. This should be for the home link. This should be for the home link. Now go to that room, first room. Okay. That is phone room. It's fine. Person sound will get. So I hope everyone have added the icon. Next office, the page look like this. We can go here and call one more file. If you go to the mobile device, this icon will be this icon will not open. If you click on the menu icon, you click on that link, you can see the menu is not getting open, right? Because we required here one jQuery file. Let's call that a script src equal to tist/j/bootstrap dot main.js, bootstrap dot main.js. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the browser, reload the page. If you click here, the menu should open now. You can see the menu is opening. Menu is getting open. Hope should work for everyone. Okay, next after that, we need to work on next part. We need to work on next part. That is called when we click on login button, we click on login this, one pop-up window should open, one model should open. Okay, that is called bootstrap model. So in the case of login, here href put hash, so the page will not reload. Put here the hash, page will not reload. Has kept. Now after that, we have to take the model sample code. We have to take the sample code per model. So when we click on this hyperlink, when we click on login, it should not go to other page. Page should not reload. Here only one pop-up window should get open. Let's open the website called getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com you can open. So getbootstrap.com is open. Next, go in that examples. Go to the examples. Under the examples, we need to go to where model code we need to come. These all are the different examples. Model. Okay. So better model we can go here. Download, scroll, download exam. No, I think it's available in docs. Available under the docs. We can go to the docs. Docs. Under the docs, we need to come to the components. Docs components, and then you will have called model somewhere. Right. Docs, components, then click on model. Under the docs, if you scroll down, you will have a model. Click on the model. In that model box, model area. When you come down, you will see one pop-up window like this. This is called model, M-O-D-A-L, model. Now example for this is below. Live launch live model. If you click on that, pop-up window will open. Click on that, pop-up window will open. This is called model, M-O-D-A-L, model. Model. Okay, model. Inside that, come down. This is the main model. Simple code is written here. This sample code you can copy. Launch demo model is there. So here is the sample model code. We require to take the sample model code. Okay, hope you have copied this model sample code. Come to your file, home file. At last, where you have written the navigation end, there only you can write one more comment. Model start and model end. Model start and model end. You can paste the code in between. Model start, model end. There you paste the code. Model start, model end. There you can paste the code. Okay, hope you given. After that, see there is the ID called example model. ID is example model. We can change to login. Example model change to login. Okay, clear. Login have we changed? ID equal to login. Now what should happen is when we click inside the login link here, when we click on link, that model should open. Okay, the code you have added just now, the code is not visible anywhere. Just it is there only. It is disabled. Once we click on button, once you click on hyperlink, it should become the enable. So for that, let's come up. Remember what is the ID given? Login. L is a small or capital? Small. A small only. It should not be capital. Let it be a small or capital anything, but remember that. Now come up. You can see we have written here href equal to what? Has. We can write here, we have to call a property like we have to link now. When we click there, one event will fire, toggle event will fire, and toggle event will enable your division. So you will write here data hyphen bs hyphen toggle. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle. We can write here call modal model. First property. One more property you have to add data hyphen bs hyphen target. So one property we added that is called data bs toggle. We'll add one more property data hyphen bs hyphen target equal to has. Why? Because login is as a ID. Login is as a ID. ID get called by has. Login. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle. Okay. So hope we have written. Let's come now. Run the page. Click on login. Model should open like this. Let me know. Once you click on login, is it opening like this? I will show the code again. I will keep the property in the new line. Data bs toggle, data bs target. Oh. Login model should open. If login model will open, that meaning connectivity is okay. So what step we follow? We took the code of sample code from the getbootstrap.com documentation model block. We added here, and then we change the ID of that, and that ID we call here. We just added only two property: data bs toggle and data bs target, and make sure this bootstrap.js file must be there. Without bootstrap.js file, it will not work. Without bootstrap.js file, it will not work. Okay, let's go ahead. Next, after that, we can modify now the model box. So come down to the model box. It is here. Three type of model you have: large, medium, small. So now it is coming, it's called the medium. Okay, you can convert into a small also. You can make into the large also. So to convert into medium, a small model dialog we have here. Space, space, model hyphen sm. Model dialog space, model hyphen sm. Model dialog space, model hyphen sm. Model will become a small model. Model will become a small model. Okay, let us check now. Become a small model. Come to that small model. Model title you have, you want change and change it. User login. Model footer we have here. Three section is there: model header, model body, model footer. Header, body, and footer. Okay, hope ready. Come down. Model button we have under the footer. There is a class called secondary. For the close, you can change to danger. You have a save changes button, change to login. Should be meaningful buttons. See, the code is given by them only. What we are doing, we are customizing them. Okay. Customizing according to our requirement. Right? Let's go ahead next. Click on login button. Login will open, but it will be little clean now. We can exchange the button. First, we can keep login. Second, we can keep the close. Position you can change. Type equal to button you don't need as of now. You can remove it. Let it be directly button open close. Directly we can keep button open and close. If you want to bring the button in the middle, or another option is here, look at here, close button is already there, no, on the top. Why twice close? We can remove second close button, keep only one login button. And inside the footer, you can apply a class called justify content center. Justify hyphen content hyphen center. Justify content center. Next, after that, this login button should come in the middle. It will come in the middle. Modify it in there. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the model body and create a form here. Email and password, two text box you can create inside the division class equal to model, not model, MB4 or MB3 is also fine. Label, email ID, input type equal to text, class equal to form control. Password, input type equal to password. right? So something like this. Yeah, hello. I can hear. Go ahead.
एकच आहे मला तरी कोण चुकून सापडत राहतो
Okay. Four months.
घे जवळ इथलं मग घे पण
Three, seven. Three. 6. Six, 6.
का डिस्प्ले नहीं है?
Just wait some time. 10 o'clock you will get a call. 10:15. Other stuff will follow it. You can try. I am this number. I will send you the location. If it is working, after that we have to keep here the model. This one, banner. Banner. Banner we need to keep here. So go inside your folder. This folder, example folder. Under example folder, you have a folder called carousel. Carousel. Go to the example folder. There is a folder called carousel. Carousel. Come inside the carousel folder. Under the carousel folder, index.css file is there. Open that. Index.html. Open that file. In this, come to the line number 738. In that, come to the line number 38. Okay, 38. Hope you found here. You can see this division start here, and this division is ending somewhere in the bottom. This division start here, and this division is ending somewhere in the bottom. That is called where? Line number 84. 84. So we will copy this much, 38 to 84. Copy this entire section, 38 to 84 number. Right, 38 to 84 you can copy. After that, come to our home file. We have written somewhere navigation end here. Right there. Banner start. Banner end. Banner start, banner end. Write a comment, banner start, banner end. In between, you post that code. Paste that code. You have copied the code from his file. Yes. That code you need to paste here. The code you need to paste here. How to paste it the code. Right. Next, you can see here there is a placeholder for image. Here also placeholder is for image. Bottom also there is a placeholder for image. Right? Hope you can find this. We are going to remove this placeholder and keep here img src equal to img src equal to 1.jpg 1.jpg height equal to maybe 400, width equal to 100%. 400 we can convert into 350 is also okay. This line you should repeat 3 places. You should replace 3 places here as well as down. It is here as well as it is here down. Keep in the bottom 2.jpg. This line you are going to remove. Here some placeholder was written. I remove that. Add next. Okay, copy this, come down and paste here again. Change as a 2.jpg. Change as a 2.jpg. 3.jpg. No added photo. Photo should be there in the folder. Click it. Photo should appear like this. Right, hope you added the photo. Let me know after that it's working or not. If working, then we can log out. We'll see you again tomorrow. If it's working, then we can log out. We'll see you again tomorrow. jQuery who have finished the JavaScript, they can continue the jQuery class I have now.
Sir, JavaScript video are not uploaded.
Not uploaded still, will upload today evening.
Okay, sir. And also bootstrap video, sir.
Home.html file I have sent in the chat. Whoever is facing the problem, they can use that file. Your navigation is ready. Carousel is coming. Model is also working here. Next tomorrow we will work on some more pages. Remaining feature of bootstrap will cover. 8 o'clock we can log in tomorrow again.